This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the primary mouse button on the Fedora Linux operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your primary mouse button, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to the little system tray area. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to click on this little gear wheel here, that is Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to scroll down to where you see it says Mouse and Touchpad. Click on Mouse and Touchpad. Then on the center pane, right under General, Primary Button, by default your primary button is probably the left one, but you can change it to the right side by clicking on Right. And if I wanted to change back to the left side, I would click back on Left. That is how to change your primary mouse button in the Fedora Linux operating system. Thanks for watching.